Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential items: OS version, available storage, and whether you want an app-based or video/GIF wallpaper. Once done, pick a reliable live wallpaper app or prepare a 15-30-second video clipped to your screen ratio. Make sure battery saver is off and animations are enabled in settings. Some phones block live backgrounds otherwise. Then download or transfer the file to your phone and grant the app permission to access storage so it can import your chosen media. Open the app and import your prepared media. If you chose an app preset, browse categories and pick one that matches your home screen layout. Next, crop to the phone's aspect ratio, 16:9 or device native, so movement stays centered. Once imported, set loop behavior and playback speed, disable audio unless you want sound. Make sure preview looks right. Some launchers require you to apply via the launcher's wallpaper menu, rather than the app for consistent home and lock screen behavior. Apply the live wallpaper and choose whether it runs on home screen, lock screen, or both. Select the launcher if prompted. Then test by unlocking and swiping between pages to confirm smooth playback and acceptable battery use. If the wallpaper stutters, drains battery, or fails to display, force stop the app, clear its cache, or reinstall. If still broken, convert the media to a lower resolution or shorter clip. One key tip: try a static fallback image to isolate whether the app or media caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.